Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Steve here at Countryside Garage. Today, we're going to go out there and work on the Blue Explorer. I got it a couple weeks ago. I just haven't touched it because I was waiting for the weather to get nice. But we're going to go see if it needs a new motor. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we won't have to replace it. But if we do, I have another motor to put in it. But I just want to see where we go. So we're just gonna start tearing it down. So let's get out there and get our butts cranking. So let's do it. Perfect. And here she is. 2006 Ford Explorer. It's got the 4.0 V6 in it. Oh, the hood's already popped. Had it towed here because I couldn't get the damn thing on a tow dolly because it was too heavy to push up on the tow dolly. So, but here's the motor, and you can see right down in there, there's the timing chain, but the hole is in the valve cover. So that valve cover is definitely getting replaced, but I have to tear all the things off the front, pull the timing cover off and everything, and inspect what's going on down in there. So if the timing chain broke, then I gotta take the heads off and make sure that the pistons aren't damaged. The pistons look good and they're not damaged, and I look at the heads and make sure the what do they call them? The valves. Make sure the valves aren't damaged. Maybe we could get by and reuse them, and then just replace the timing chain and go from there and throw it all back together. And hopefully that'll be all we have to do. But we'll see. It's only got 140,000 miles on it, so it's pretty good shape. I mean, the backs where the tires are, there's like no rust. We open the doors, and I know it's hard to see, but that's all clean metal. There's no rust there. That's where they have problems, is the rust. The only rust that I did see on it was, where is it? Oh, just right up in here on the license plate. But the rear wiper, the motor blew on it, so it doesn't work. But how many times do we use this? I've never used the rear wiper. On our other Explorer, it never worked, so I just took the wiper because it was stuck straight up just like this one, which is weird. So I just take the wiper, take it off, and then lay it flat, and then put it back on just so it doesn't look stupid. But never used a damn wiper anyway, so. But yeah, really hell of a good shape, clean interior. It's got some garbage in there, but you know, clean all that out, but there's like no stains or nothing. This truck is straight, not like the silver one. Silver one's fucked. So, alright. There's a quick little review of the truck. We'll do a better job once I get it running and out into the daylight. But let's get cranking on this, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I'll show you. Oh, it's blown away. There's a stack there. Where'd the other shit go? Well, it must have blown away. But if you look right in there, it's all that stuffing. Yesterday I was out here working. I had my hands right here getting the bolts out, and a little mouse pops his head out there. It made me scream like a little girl. It freaked me out. I dropped my sockets, I jumped back, I'm like, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of my engine! Ah! So now I took some air and I blew, so I'm trying to get the shit back out. So I got this tool here. So I'll set you guys down. So yeah, if you guys ever see any of this stuff being stuck in your engine, especially right under the intake, you got mice. There's just a bunch of nasty shit. Another thing to look for, they like to chew on wires too, so you want to get them out. I've pulled out some previously before I started filming, but it's just, oh my gosh. Try and get most of this out, and then we'll try to blow the rest out. The air. I tried blowing it out with the air, but it was just, it's way back in there still. Hey, nice little home going on back in here. Alright, I think I got most of it. Well, I'm going to blow it out, and then we're going to get ready to disassemble more of this engine. I got the radiator and everything out. Everything pulled off the front of the motor. This was all done yesterday. It's the next day. It's starting fresh again. So I'm going to take the intake off, all the air intake wires, everything off, so it should just be the block, the heads, and the valve covers, which would be left. So get that knocked out, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So I'll give you another update of what we got done so far. Basically, it's the end of the afternoon on the third day, so I just had to wait a little bit, and my dad, he came to help me. But we got the exhaust loose, we got all the flywheel bolts out from underneath, everything else was done. And we ran out of time today. I still got time today, but I got to do other things real quick, so we'll pick this up tomorrow. But I'm going to end this video here, and we'll just continue the actual engine pull into the next video. But all I got to do now is transmission bolts. There's a couple on top, and then the ones on the bottom, and the fuel line. And once I get all those disconnected, then it's ready to go ahead and pull. So this is where we're at with it. But yeah, it's taking a little more time, but I guess if I was working on it, if I was actually working on it day in and day out, I'd probably have it done by now. But you know, I got to do a little bit here, a little bit there. So, but we are getting progress done, so that's a plus. So tomorrow, if not tomorrow, Friday, because today's Wednesday, if If I don't get it Thursday, then Friday will be the day of the pull. So I would suspect that I can get it out on Thursday, so that way I can get it all pulled, get my parts put in, and then everything go back in on Friday, and then finish it off the weekend. So hopefully by Monday this truck will be ready to roll.